So, since alam nyo na kung ano yung quadratic equation, ngayon pag-aaralan naman natin yung mga ways on how to solve quadratic equation. So, we have 4 ways to solve this kind of equation. But for today, we will discuss how to solve quadratic equation using extracting the square root. So, the question is, kailan nga ba natin kailangan gamitin ang extracting the square root? So, ang sabi dito, this method is best for quadratic equation in the form of x squared equals k. So, ang sabi niya, madaling gamitin ang extracting the square root kapag ganito ang itsura. X squared is equal to k. Let's say, for example, we have x squared equals 16. Another example is x squared equals 4. X squared equals 36. So, mamaya i-explain ko kung bakit kaya madaling gamitin ang extracting the square root kapag ganito ang itsura or ganito ang form ng ating quadratic equation. So, bago tayo mag-proceed sa una nating example, magkaroon muna tayo ng review about square root. So, ano ba yung mga square root? Ang mga square root, ito yung mga numbers like 4, 16, 9, 25. So, kung napapansin ninyo, itong mga number na binanggit ko ay may factors na parehas. Katulad ng 4, may factor siya na 2 times 2. 16 is may factor siya na 4 times 4. 9 is 3 times 3. And 25, 5 times 5. Kaya itong mga number na to ay perfect square kasi may factor sila na parehas. Kapag pinag-times, yung number na yon yung lalabas. So kapag sinabing kapag meron tayong perfect square, let's say for example, we have to get the square root of 36. Sa tingin ninyo, ano kaya ang sagot na ito? Yes, so the answer is positive and negative 6. So, bakit kaya may positive at saka may negative? Kasi yung 36, ang square root ng 36 ay pwedeng 6 times 6. Pwede rin siyang negative 6 times negative 6. Kaya, kapag tayo ay nag-i-square root ng isang particular number, dalawa lagi ang magiging sagot. Positive and negative, and then the answer for that particular na ini-square root natin. Okay, so ngayon, so another thing is, how about if we have the equation like, how about kung meron tayong tanong na kagaya nito? We have square root of negative 25. Ano kaya ang square root ng negative 25? And the answer for this is 5i. So, bakit kaya siya naging 5i? Kasi, wala tayong square root for negative numbers. Kasi po, dapat ang value ng k must be greater than or equal to 0 para magkaroon ng sagot na real roots. Since negative siya, hindi natin makukuha ang square root ng negative 25 kasi hindi naman siya pwedeng maging 5 times 5 kasi 5 times 5 is not negative 25. The same thing as negative 5 times negative 5 is not negative 25. Kaya ang magiging sagot ay 5i, which is imaginary numbers. Kaya hindi pwede ang negative na ini-square root. So, I guess, alam nyo na kung anong extracting the square root. So, let's have an example here. We have x squared equals 25. So, naka-format siya dito. So, isa-solve na natin. X squared equals 25. So, para matanggal ang exponent na 2, kailangan natin i-square root both side. So, i-square root natin. So, dahil doon makakancel na si squared, ang maiiwan na lang ay x equals. Again, what is the square root of 25? Yes, the answer is positive and negative 5. Dalawang sagot. So, we have x is equal to 5. And x is equal to negative 5. So, dalawang answer for this. So, para ma-check natin, kung gusto nyong i-check kung tama ba ang sagot natin, ang gagawin nyo lang is, let's say, ito, i-check natin kung tama ba ang sagot natin, which is x equals 5. X equals 5. So, gagamitin natin yung equation natin, yung original equation, which is x squared equals 25. X squared equals 25. Gagawin lang natin, papalitan lang natin yung value ng x ng 5 doon sa nakuha natin kanina. Okay, so, papalitan ko si x ng 5. Then, i-squared ko equals 25. So, 5 times 5, kasi may squared, the answer is 25. Bring down equals 25. So, since equal sila, therefore, tama yung sagot natin. Tama yung una nating solution. So, how about yung pangalawa nating solution, which is x equals negative 5. The same thing lang yung gagawin din natin. So, equate x is equal to negative 5. So, use the original equation. Just copy the original equation. X squared equals 25. Next, papalitan natin yung value ng x ng negative 5. So, negative 5 i-squared natin equals 25. So, negative 5 times negative 5, the answer is positive 25. Then, bring down equals 25. So, kung napapansin ninyo, equal sila. Therefore, our answer is correct. So, na-check na natin siya. So, for our second example, we have x squared minus 36 equals 0. So, dito, kailangan muna nating ilipat si negative 36 sa kabila. Kasi ang goal natin dito, dapat si x squared ay nag-iisa lang siya sa left side. Okay, so, bring down x squared equals, pag nilipat mo si negative 36 sa kabila, siya ay magiging positive 36. Then, pwede na tayong mag-square root. So, i-square root natin both side. Makakancel yung squared. Ang maiiwan na lang ay x. So, what is the square root of 36? Which is positive and negative 6. So, our solution is x equals 6, x equals negative 6. So, kung gusto nyong i-check kung tama ba yung nakuha nating sagot, ang gagawin nyo lang is i-equate lang natin as x is equal to 6. So, check natin. Yung una nating solution, which is x equals 6. Copy the original equation. X squared minus 36 equals 0. Okay. Gagawin natin, papalitan natin yung value ng x ng 6 sa nakuha natin dito para ma-check natin kung tama ba yung answer natin. So, 6 squared minus 36 equals 0. So, 6 times 6, the answer is 36. Bring down negative 36. negative 36 equals 0. 36 minus 36, the answer is 0. Then bring down equals 0. Since equal sila, therefore, our first answer is correct. So, check yan. So, ngayon, check naman natin kung tama yung answer natin, which is, yung other answer natin, which is x equals negative 6. So, copy the original equation. X squared minus 36 equals 0. Okay, so papalitan lang natin yung value ng x ng negative 6 sa nakuha natin. Okay, so negative 6 e squared minus 36 equals 0. Negative 6 times negative 6, the answer is positive 36. Then bring down, negative 36 equals 0. 36 minus 36, the answer is 0. Equals 0. So, since equal sila, therefore, correct din yung sagot natin for x is equals to 6. Ito lang naman yung solution dyan. So, ginagawa lang natin to for checking. Pero kung nakuha mo na to, pwede namang hindi mo na siya i-check. So, para naman sa pangatlong example, we have x squared plus 10 equals 35. So, as what I said earlier, kailangan yung x, naka-isolate lang siya dito. Nandito lang siya sa part na to, and lahat ng mga constants na walang kinalaman sa x, kailangan natin ilipat sa kabila. So, bring down x squared equals 35. Ililipat natin si positive 10 sa kabila. So, positive magiging negative 10. So, bring down x squared equals 35 minus 10, the answer is 25. So, since okay na lahat, naka-form na siya in a form of x squared equals k, pwede na tayong mag-square root both side. So, maka-cancel, x na lang ang matitira. So, the square root of 25 is positive and negative 5. So, we have two solutions. So, kung gusto ninyong i-check yung sagot natin, all you have to do is, of course, i-copy muna natin yung first solution natin, which is x equals 5. Then, copy the original equation, yung tanong, x squared plus 10 equals 35. Papalitan lang natin yung value ng x ng 5 dito sa equation na to. So, 5 squared plus 10 equals 35. 5 times 5 is 25. Bring down positive 10 equals 35. So, 25 plus 10, the answer is 35. Then, bring down equals 35. So, since equal sila, therefore, tamang answer natin, our first solution, which is x is equals to 5. So, check. So, to check naman yung other answer natin, which is x equals 5, the same thing lang din yung gagawin natin. Copy the original equation, x squared plus 10 equals 35. So, change the value of x to negative 5. Doon sa nakuha natin. So, negative 5 squared plus 10 equals 35. Negative 5 times negative 5, the answer is positive 25. Bring down positive 10 equals 35. 25 plus 10, the answer is 35. So, equal sila. So, therefore, tama yung sagot natin dito. Para naman sa pang-apat na example, we have 3x squared equals 12. So, dito hindi pa tayo pwedeng mag-square root. Kasi po, merong numerical coefficient si x squared which is 3. So, kailangan muna nating tanggalin itong value na to. So, para mawala siya, kailangan nating i-divide both side by 3. Then, bring down x squared equals 12 divide 3, the answer is 4. Since ang format niya is in a form of x squared equals k, pwede na tayong mag-square root both side. Cancel. Ang matitira na lang ay x equals the square root of 4 is positive and negative 2. So, dalawa yung sagot natin. So, positive at saka negative. So, to check our answer, which is x equals 2, kokopihin lang natin yung original equation a while ago, which is 3x squared equals 12. So, substitute x is equals to 2 dito. So, 3 squared equals 12. So, bring down 3. 2 times 2. 2 times 2 is equals to 4 equals 12. 3 times 4. The answer is 12. Equals 12. So, correct ang sagot natin since parehas sila. So, check naman natin yung isa pang equation which is x equals negative 2. So, copy the original equation, 3x squared equals 12. So, palitan natin yung x ng negative 2. Ito yun. So, 3 negative 2 squared equals 12. Bring down 3. Negative 2 times negative 2, the answer is positive 4. Bring down equals 12. 3 times 4 is equals to 12. Equal 12. So, correct. Para naman sa panglima, sa pinaka-last na equation natin, we have m squared plus 64 equals 0. So, nakikita natin na hindi siya naka-form in x squared equals k. So, kailangan natin ilipat si positive 64 sa kabila. Bring down m squared equals, pag nilipat natin si positive 16, siya ay magiging negative 64. 64 pala, sorry. Lipat natin si 64. Magiging negative siya kasi tinranspose natin. Ngayon, pwede na tayo mag-square root both side. Maka-cancel. M na lang ang matitira. Ngayon, what is the square root of negative 64? Tulad ng sinabi ko nung una, kapag nag-i-square root tayo ng negative numbers, the answer is always imaginary. So, ngayon sagutin natin, what is the square root of 64? The answer is 8. Lalagyan lang natin ng I, which means imaginary. Ito na yung sagot. So, our answer is, there is no real solution. There is no real roots. No real roots. Kasi po, negative siya. So, I hope you understand our topic about extracting the square root.